welcome back to another episode of Mad Aussie Adventures!
We're off to the Grampians! Let's go!
And what a beautiful day! Oh, blew me hair off! How close is this? Oh, we should go run a lead over to one and charge our van.
Never seen one so close to a highway.
I've never been this close to one before.
Coffee time!
Woohoo! Yeah, we find it, rather than keep pulling up and making coffees, we have 3 or 4 coffees while we're travelling. It's easier just to make it a thermos.
Make it the thermos?
Make it the thermos.
We're in the Grampians. It's a beautiful place, and if you've never been here, put it on your list. It's a must-do, and it is just magnificent here. The wildlife is off the charts, isn't it? So
absolutely.
The kids would love it. Bring your bikes. It's a nice little ride into Halls Gap, or you can go up the top and go to a little cafe.
Perfect with your bikes.
Yeah, it's got cafes there. It's got a little, what do you call it? Mini golf.
Yeah, which is beautiful.
Yeah.
If you don't even play golf, just sit there and have a coffee and lunch.
Yeah, it's a
beautiful.
nice little restaurant, good meals there.
Yeah.
And I don't know, what can I say? Lots of exploring that you can do, waterfalls, what else? 4-wheel driving.
Yeah.
So,
It's just a magnificent place to be.
It's just so picturesque, so put it on your list.
Beautiful part of the country. Did you get stuck, bub? Did you not follow the right track like me? Hey?
Yeah.
Anya?
Yeah. Rose between 2 thorns.
Turn around and come back. Well, it's been gushing through here. Nice of you to finally join me.
What is this for?
Oh, obviously just to get things from one side of the river to the other. Oh yeah, I better keep videoing. Come on. Could get some good footage here.
Made it.
What have we got here? Wow, look at that. Can you see him? It's a big buck deer.
Staring at me.
Yeah. What a great campsite. kick back here. And just check out this. Danger, danger!
Oh, yeah.
See that?
He bite at your feet. In the water?
Yeah.
No.
You have to get it for me.
Really? I didn't hit it in there. I didn't see that in the rules. Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Do I have to go back to the beginning?
Yeah, you do. Oh, nice shot. Yeah, that'll do. Well, this one's going to be interesting. A hole there, a hole over there. So that's 3.
I won!
What was the score, darling?
57 to 45, Gibbo's way, as usual.
Oh.
How long do you reckon that ride was in?
5 minutes.
5-minute ride?
5-minute ride, I think. Very easy.
Yeah,
Very easy. Well, mainly downhill too, though, I think, weren't we?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a bit more uphill going back. Nothing slight graduation in the road, I think. I'd have to say that was probably one of the most picturesque, beautiful trails I've ever been on too.
Yeah. What a view. Check it.
Check it. I'll come back, but that's our caravan park down there, believe it or not. They call it Lakeview Caravan Park. And down there is Hall's Gap. I'll zoom in for you. Now they call our caravan park Lakeview. Now, if you have a look over here, there's the lake. There's the caravan park. We don't get a view. I don't know why they call it Lakeview. We're about 40 foot under the damn thing.
Now the elevation is only 680 metres. Oh, seemed a lot more to me.
Well, this way I wouldn't want to fall down there. Just let it go, isn't it?
Isn't it? It hasn't
How
got...
the hell is that still holding?
Yeah,
I'll zoom into it for you.
yeah. Well, that is pretty cool.
Don't go bumping that rock.
Okay, let's have a quick look through the caravan park. The grounds are maintained beautifully and the gardens are immaculate. Everything's just so neat and tidy. There's a big oval where all the wildlife come in to eat the grass, so the kids will be amazed to see emus, kangaroos, deer, and a great spot to kick around the footy and have a couple of games with the kids.
We've got 4 trampolines and a little play gym for the kids. Can't complain about that, can you?
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Camp kitchen and a nice big area with TVs just to lounge around. It's not bad, is it?
It's supposed to be cold.
It's tempting.
Come over.
The pool is heated by a wood fire. Never even heard of that before. Anyway, apparently the only one in Australia. How unique. You have an amazing decking. Check this out with barbecues. Love this spot. We didn't have a chance to sit back and relax and enjoy this area. And now, today, on our last day, it's raining with some thunderstorms. This would have to be one of the best caravan parks that we've stayed at.